Are you tired of the hustle and bustle of the big city and the high cost of real estate?
What if you could trade your city home for a luxury oceanfront retreat with income potential, all for under $1 million and cash left to spare?
I'm really excited to show you these beautiful modern designs in the seaside town of Lunenburg, Nova Scotia.
We're just 10 minutes from Old Town Lunenburg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with great restaurants, shops, and all the essentials. These homes are expertly designed to capture and maximize stunning views, flood the space with natural light, and create an open, airy feel. This unit number 4, was built in 2024 and is 1,080 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom. While I was there, it felt like touring through an elegant, fancy 5-star hotel. The expansive deck has been thoughtfully designed to maximize outdoor living, offering a retreat-like experience right at home.
These low-maintenance oceanfront homes are built with privacy in mind.
Though the homes are close, they're harmoniously designed to keep both your water view and living space private. Built for coastal durability, these homes feature a rock perimeter for erosion control and thoughtful landscaping design for efficient stormwater drainage. The consciously designed landscaping is filled with abundant perennials, offering a vibrant experience that attracts birds, bees, and dragonflies.
Currently, there are 8 unique builds that are available for sale.
This impressive unit number 2, is larger than the previous one, offering 1,550 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The heart of the home is thoughtfully laid out with a spacious modern kitchen, a dedicated dining area, and a welcoming living room, all positioned to take full advantage of the breathtaking coastal views. What makes this a standout investment is that these units already operate as a successful Airbnb business. Should you need to leave for vacation or for work, you can relax knowing your property is generating income while you're away. Plus, a reliable team is already in place to manage bookings and housekeeping for you. There is a wraparound 3-sided private deck ready for you to enjoy a barbecue or a sunset soak in the tub. If you have any questions and want to find out more information about these beautiful properties, you can contact me anytime. There are a few other units for sale I did not include in this video. However, if you like to see them in person or have further questions, you can find me here. Thanks for coming to my virtual open house, and we'll see you next time.